The Governor of Tripura, Shri Indra Reddy Nallu, graced a significant literary event today, January 1st, 2026, marking the new year with the launch of a new book. The ceremony was held at the Rabindra Bhavan in Agartala, commencing in the morning.
It also for children's literature. Our next book.
The event, which drew a large gathering of scholars, writers, and book enthusiasts, began with a formal welcome of the governor. In his keynote address, Governor Indra Reddy Nallu emphasized the profound impact of literature on society and encouraged the younger generation to cultivate a deeper habit of reading. The governor noted that such literary initiatives are vital for the intellectual growth of the state, especially following Tripura's recent recognition for its high literacy rates. The program was attended by several notable dignitaries from the state's academic and cultural circles.
The second book, Sang Baro, a collection of 40 tribal recipes of Tripura, is a celebration of our intangible cultural heritage. Food is memory, identity, and love. All serves on a plate. This book, written in Bengali, does a great service by documenting and translating the culinary wisdom of our tribal communities for a wider audience. Reading about dishes like Wahan Mosodek, pork and roasted chili salad, Muya by Shikambuk, Avan root, bamboo shoots with stem snails, or Lipang by Wahan Chakui, pork and banana stem, is to take a journey through our forests, rivers, and homestays. These are not mere recipes, they are narratives of our sustainable living, of seasonal harmony, and to profound culinary indigeneity that uses ingredients like fermented fish, bamboo shoots, and local herbs. I am particularly pleased to release this book to symbolizes a beautiful confluence, the royal heritage acting as a custodian for the people's heritage. This book promises to be a delightful ambassador for Tripura, inviting the world to not just see our beauty but to taste it. The other book, Learn Bangla in Telugu, addresses a fundamental yet glorious aspect of India. Our linguistic diversity, it represents the intellectual and cultural bridge that we as Indians are constantly building. In our own Tripura, we live this reality every day. We are a vibrant tapestry of languages, each thread essential to the whole Bengali. With its rich literary tradition, is a language of administration and widespread communication. Alongside it stand Kakbarok, the heartbeat of our indigenous communities. An ancient language whose name itself means the language of the people. Kakbarok is spoken by over 1 million people and is an official state language. It is the mother tongue of principal tribes like the Deparma, Riam, Bru, Jamatia, and Notia, each adding their unique dialectal color to its melody. The state's efforts in promoting it from primary education to master degree at universities are commendable. But our linguistic landscape is even richer. We are home to other tribal languages of the Kuki Chin groups, Hmong and Mizo. This brings me to a crucial point highlighted by these publications. The need for standardized script and dedicated scholarly work for all our tribal languages. While Pakmarut has seen revival efforts using Bengali script and even a modern adoption of the ancient Koloma script, many other languages await similar systematic intervention.
The session concluded with the governor formally unveiling the book and interacting with the author and members of the publishing committee. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.